One reason why art is important is because it does teach us history. It connects us with history, and art needs history, and history needs art. My name's Anthony Sweat. I'm the author and the artist of a new book called Repicturing the Restoration, New Art to Expand Our Understanding. The book is important in that sense that art has this capacity to expand and change the way we view history and the way we view scripture. So my hope is that this book and the 25 paintings that are in them will launch you into understanding early church history and early events of church history in a way that maybe you've never thought about them before. One aspect that's unique about this book is not all the paintings are mantelpiece paintings, as I like to say. They're not the kind of thing that necessarily you put in your living room, but they're important and they challenge our preconceived notions. There's paintings in there, for example, of women giving healing blessings of faith, or Joseph translating the Book of Mormon using a hat, or ordaining black men to the priesthood during Joseph Smith's time. There's even an image of Joseph and his little brother William getting into a fist fight. So part of the paintings are also to challenge what we think is of comfortable church history.